Welcome to my YouTube channel or welcome back to my YouTube channel. What's good mga bossing? It's your boy Boss Sirk back again for another reaction video. So for today's video mga boss, tayo magre-react ngayon sa mga extreme horror videos sa TikTok. Masyado ako natutuwa sa kanila at gustong gusto kong tinatakot yung sarili ko. So tara, umpisa na natin to. Let's go! No veas este video. Other's room. Oh no. Sarap ng tulog ng mga parents. May nakikipaglaro sa mga bata guys. What the heck? Holy shoot. Slenderman ba to?
Oh, damn child, please.
Oh my gosh. Ooh. Ooh. No way, no. So yun pala yung mga nangyayari sa atin habang tulog tayo, no? Hindi mo alam na mayroon palang nanonood sa'yo habang natutulog ka. Tapos pagka may anak ka, yan, sila yung mga palaging pinupuntahan ng mga masasamang espiritu. Prohibido ver. Yung mga salitang yun, tol. Madilim daw, ayaw niya na madilim. Uy! Katapang ako. Kangilig nila, wag ganun dapat na expect ko yun eh. Nakagulot pa rin kasi siya. Angkas buking sa sementeryo.
Sir, kanina pa ako dito, sir.
Pasensya na, nahirapan ako maglakad.
Nakakatakot, sir. Dapat, sir, dun lang tayo, sir eh. Malapit ka. So, sige, sir. Ito yung helmet, sir. Oh.
Hirap na mga ganitong trabaho. May shower
Meron,
cap
sir.
pa ba dyan?
Meron, sir. Wait lang, sir.
Kasi alam mo yun, magwo-work ka, hindi mo alam kung sino sinusundo mo. Number 1 yun. Number 2, pagka hindi ka familiar sa lugar, syempre baka mawala-wala ka pa or saan ka mapunta, di ba? Nakakatakot din. Itong trabaho to, buwis-buhay talaga din eh.
Hindi ka mabuksan.
Sa part na to, di ko alam na wala na yung customer ko, na hindi na ako nakatingin sa kanya. Pero may sumasagot, alam pa nga yung shower cup.
Hindi ko pa makita. Sir, ito po.
Oh, wala na par.
Putang ina, Noy. Delikado na dito, Noy. Nag-trip-tripan na ako dito, Noy. Diyos ko, mariusip. Ang ina, Noy. Lord.
Mapapatawag ka talaga dyan, tol.
Nakakot dito. Nagtitripan nata ako rito eh. Ayoko dito. Umitaw na naman.
Sementeryo yata ito eh.
Sir, kayo po yung ano dito? Kayo katiwala dito? Sir, samahan mo naman ako, sir. Naiwan ko yung helmet ko, sir. May nagtitrip ata sa akin, sir eh. Sir, hindi. Kitang-kita ko.
Guni-guni, may record.
Hindi ko alam kung kuha yun. Samahan mo naman ako, sir. Wait lang, sir. Ikot lang ako.
Suta. Grabe.
Grabe yun.
O, di ba? Grabe din talaga.
Di, sir. Kitang-kita ng dalawang mata ko, sir. Nung pagbigay ko ng shower cup, sir, wala na. Andun yung intercom ko, sir. Hindi pwedeng... Hindi ko makuha yun, sir.
Gagi, so gumagana yung intercom niya, so baka pwedeng naririnig yun.
Guni ko yun, sir. Kitang-kita ng dalawang mata ko yun, sir. Dito ka nakatira? Sir, ano, malaking tao. Kilala mo ba yun, sir? Malaking tao? Maraming malaking tao. Naku po.
Maraming malaking tao
siya,
dito.
Tapos,
oh my goodness.
Nakaputing damit, bigla na lang nawala.
Sementeryo siya par.
Sigurado kasi. Hello, nasa na yung helmet ko?
No? Nag-uyo ka na.
Yung helmet ko, sir.
Ay, ayun, no.
Inabot ko sa kanya dyan, sir. Inabot ko sa kanya dyan, sir. Kaya nga, bigla siyang nawala, sir, nung pagbigay ko ng shower cup eh. Ayun pala eh. Wait lang, sir. Naninervyos na
Gagi,
ako rito.
kinikilabutan ako. Wala kayong jump scare dito.
May tao ba dyan, sir? Hindi kaya pinagtripan lang ako nun? Sasama ka pa ba doon, sir?
Gago.
Hindi, sir.
Hinatid mo siya dyan, naturas
Hindi kaya
sama pabalik.
pinagtripan lang ako nun dito, sir. May mga nagbubuk ba dito ng angkas? Hindi ganitong oras. Wait.
Awit.
12:01 na rin kasi ito sa ata, sir eh.
Hindi na rin nagsasalita pa yung kaangkas mo.
Natakot dito, sir. Grabe.
My God, hindi mo alam kung sino yun, tol.
Sir, dito ka na lang. Sige, sir. Salamat, sir, ah. Sir, thank you.
At least sinamahan siya, no? Sinamahan siya ng tao.
Ano eh? Kabang-kaba ako na eh. Lord, ano ba yun?
What the heck? Kung sa akin siguro mangyayari to, hindi ko nababalikan yung helmet. Wala na akong pakialam dun sa helmet. Pero kasi, syempre, alam mo yun, pinaggastosan nila yung helmet na yun, tas yung intercom pa niya nandoon, no? Oh my goodness. Hindi naman siya ganun nakakatakot, pero what the heck? Diba? Magugulat ka anong nangyari. Parang ang weird lang nang nangyari sa kanya. Okay. Sa Espanya ata to, guys. So, yeah. Oh, gagi, oo nga. Oh my God, hindi ko matignan na maayos, tol. Hindi mo din talaga alam kung anong meron sa bahay mo, no? Lalo na kung bago ka lang dun or hindi ka sanay sa bahay.
Mom, it's okay, just ignore it.
Okay, doesn't matter.
Just watch.
Anong nangyayari, tol?
Mom! What? There's something that like a... What the hell? What's that? Go away! Mom! It's okay, stop, Yakub.
Anong nakikita ng bata?
Don't be scared, it's okay. Mom! It's okay.
Parang...
Oh my God! It's okay. Be quiet. Don't scream, be quiet, don't be scared.
Uy, gago.
Go away! Go away, this is my house! You're not going! Jacob!
That's what you're supposed to do. Yun dapat yung gawin mo. They should know. May nakapagsabi sa akin, mga bossing, no? Na pagka may ibang entity na sumasama sa bahay nyo, paalisin nyo siya sa bahay nyo, kausapin nyo, go away, umalis kayo dito, bahay ko to, wala kang karapatan dito. Well, sabi nila, totoo naman daw talaga yung mga ganong nakikinig sila, no? Pero sabi ko nga, hindi ako naniniwala sa mga ganitong multo or stuff like that. Asan sila, tol? Dave?
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم سند سند بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم بسم الله
Oh!
اسمها السند اسمها السند
May tao, tol.
هيك سند يا بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم جهتك بالله رجع بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم جهتك بالله بقول لك
May extra na yan, insan. Ay. Pero sino yun?
هذا الحجر خطير جدا.
Yeah. Ba't mo ba kasi sisilipin? Hey, nakakapikon naman. Oh my gosh. What the fuck? When your friend is drunk, gets pulled by a ghost.
¿Qué quiere?
Uy, gagi. Uy, walang tao. Akala ko may mga jump scare doon. Wala naman. Kaya naman to, diba? So, sobrang basic lang na ito, guys.
On August 23rd of 2023, George Cruz and his wife had just finished making dinner and
This
were heading
year lang.
towards the living room to eat their meal. The couple sit close to each other while watching their favorite TV program. As minutes pass, it appears that nothing strange is happening in this footage. But fast forward to just a few more seconds, and something happens that scares the living daylights out of the couple. Prior to this incident, George and his wife had been experiencing strange occurrences inside their house.
Okay.
Before having to document any of these occurrences, they would often wake up in the dead of night and hear faint whispering coming from somewhere inside the house. But creepiest of all is when the couple would see household items move on their own. Over time, the activity has
Gumagalaw yung
become
mga,
so intense that the couple has asked for help from those who
bagay-bagay sa
specialize in
bahay.
the paranormal. It was recommended that they set up cameras around their home to capture evidence of the so-called paranormal activity.
Pero ang ganda
So
niya,
the
no?
couple
May
acted
square siya na
Weirdly enough, they
sinusundan
were
ka niya.
also told to get rid of a certain item inside their house. George and his wife owned an old rocking chair, and apparently this chair is the source behind all the activity. So the couple does exactly that by selling it.
Binenta nila sa
And
Craigslist.
surprisingly, a buyer has taken an interest in purchasing the
Oh.
chair. The couple holds onto the chair until the buyer comes over to pick it up sometime next week. But in the meantime, something very strange is captured on their
Oh
cameras.
boy, bebenta mo
No one is
na nga
home
lang.
when this is captured.
Okay, so nagra-rock yung chair, wala naman tao sa paligid, wala ring hangin. Yun lang yung gumagalaw. Yun lang yung gumagalaw, tol. Wala, uy, hindi, pati yun. What the heck? Oh, okay, okay. May sinusundan yung camera niya, men. Wala to. Kaya ko to, par. Fuck, baka kasi may jump scare, par. Okay, wala. May nade-detect siyang tao, tol. Oh my gosh.
Eerily, the chair begins to rock back and forth before somehow other objects inside the house move on their own.
Yeah,
Although
which is
terrified by what
weird.
was captured, the couple is glad they had caught this. They can now show this video to those who've doubted their claims. However, this wouldn't be the only footage they'd be showing because as of recent, more activity has been caught on camera.
Hindi
Not long
nila
after this video, the
ginalaw.
following incident was captured. Take a look.
Ito yung unang video. Magra-rock ba ulit? Uy! I know, gumalaw siya na parang may or maybe yung TV yung nakita niya. Oh.
Now, moments before an object falls down, the camera pans over to the shelf as though sensing movement in that area.
Yeah?
What's weird about this though is that it sensed it before the DVD case had fallen on its own. Now, one could say that the camera picked up movement from the TV,
Yeah,
but if
tama.
that were so, then the camera would have already moved earlier, given that there were things moving on the screen way before the camera had moved.
Oh, yeah.
It seems
That
like
makes
this was a
sense.
random occurrence, unless it was sensing something else.
Yeah, may nadedetect siyang hindi
The
natin
couple
nakita.
continued to document these strange occurrences in the hopes that someone could explain what's happening. Ultimately, their goal is to stop the activity. But until then, it seems they'll continue to share more footage of this unusual
Oh
situation.
boy. May mga ganong kang bagay sa bahay, no, na hindi mo alam kung sino, ano, or ano yung kasama mo, good ba siya or bad spirit. You don't know. Kasi nga, hindi mo sila alam kung sino sila or kung anong pwede nilang magawa sa'yo, di ba? So yun na nga po mga bossing, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tumapos ng video natin. Sana nag-enjoy kayo at kung nag-enjoy kayo, i-like nyo po ang ating video at huwag nyo po nga kalimutan mag-subscribe at i-hit nyo na rin po yung notification bell. Kung may mga suggestion kayo or gusto nyo i-react natin or panoorin natin, i-comment nyo lang po sa ating comment section. So yun po mga bossing, maraming salamat at mag-ingat kayo palagi. Hanggang sa muli, paalam! Sirk TV out. Peace!